I was a car nut from the beginning. I don't know where I got it from. I didn't get it from my brother or my parents or anybody, but I was addicted from the beginning. I always wanted a Porsche 911 964 specific RS America. I was about 13 when that issue came out from Road and Track, and it had the widespread layout of it just hauling ass. And I was a teenager, and I thought that's the one for me. Stripped down, bare bones, all about driving. I don't know how I got this, but that spoke to me. My name is Simon Tuman, and I drive a 1999 Porsche 911 to 996.1. I think part of my relationship with embracing the fried egg ugly car was simply that you really want though is that connection with the car. And I think that's why the word analog gets so overused. When you look at what this car is, yes, it's water cooled, yes, it has a radiator, but we're talking drive-by cable. There is no traction control on this car. There's nothing saving you. I actually picked up this car on its 25th anniversary. It was built in Germany on April 4th, 1998. So this is one of the early 98 builds. So when I bought it, it had just shy of 100,000 miles on it. I took it straight to Angeles Crest Highway because I live in Los Angeles and that's my backyard. And I wanted to make sure I didn't come home until it had 100,000 miles on it. And a year later, I've got 105, and I'm about to take it to Laguna Seca Raceway. So this is my canyon car. This is my fun car. This is my old car. It feels so weird for me to say it because this is a 1999, and I don't think 1990 is old. There's a lot of appeal with this particular car. Obviously, it's got the old school ducktail. It's got the 993 spec turbo twist. These are actual hollow spokes, one of the only options that the car has, so I am gonna keep them. I don't wanna call this a good all-around car or a GT car because it's not, but it can do those things. And this is the type of car I wanted, where I can go to the canyons, I can drive to the racetrack, I can go have a blast.